Most people download ClipClaps thinking they'll earn easy money just by watching funny videos. But here's the truth no one tells you. The app can pay some users, but the amount of time required is where things get complicated. In this honest ClipClaps review for 2026, I'll show you exactly how the app works, how people actually make money, the biggest red flags to watch for, and whether it's worth your time today. And stay until the end, because I'll reveal the one feature most users completely ignore that can increase earnings faster. First, let's answer the main question immediately. Yes, ClipClaps is a legit rewards app. It gives users coins and rewards for watching short videos, playing games, referring friends, and completing activities inside the app. But here's the problem. Watching videos alone earns extremely little. This is where most people fail. Jake spent hours scrolling random clips expecting fast payouts. After days of watching content, he barely earned enough to notice. Meanwhile, Alex focused on bonus activities and referral rewards, which made a much bigger difference. So how does ClipClaps actually work in 2026? When you watch videos or interact with content, you earn virtual rewards like coins, treasure chests, or clap coins. Those rewards can eventually be converted into small PayPal payouts or gift rewards depending on your region. Now here's where it gets interesting. The app uses engagement systems to keep users active longer. Daily streaks, spin rewards, bonus boxes, and limited time offers all encourage repeated usage. If you skip these features, your earnings drop fast. In a minute, I'll show you the highest paying method inside the app. But first, let's talk about realistic expectations. ClipClaps is not a replacement for a job or serious side hustle. Most users earn small amounts over time. Think pocket money, not reliable income. Another important thing is payout patience. John thought the app was fake because rewards seemed slow at first. But many users eventually cash out after consistent activity. The issue is usually time versus reward value. Now for the best earning method. Referrals. This is the feature most active users rely on. Inviting friends gives bonus rewards and sometimes ongoing commissions based on activity. Without referrals, earnings can feel painfully slow. But here's the catch. Not every referral becomes active. Simply spamming links online usually fails. Instead, showing real proof of payouts or explaining the app honestly tends to work much better. Another smart tip is avoiding random low-value games inside the app. Some game offers consume huge amounts of time with minimal rewards. Focus on limited-time boosted tasks instead. So, is ClipClaps worth using in 2026? If you already enjoy short videos and want small extra rewards during free time, it can be okay. But if your goal is fast or high income, this app will probably disappoint you. The key is understanding what ClipClaps really is. It's an entertainment rewards app, not a serious money-making platform. If this honest review helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below with your ClipClaps experience in 2026.